Welcome to your dream oasis in the heart of Horseshoe Bay. This is not just a home, it is a slice of paradise where luxury meets waterfront living with your own dock where a boat and a jet ski can ride out into the pristine waters of Horseshoe Bay. Welcome to 81 Applehead Island. Let's go take a look. Welcome to the Austin City Brothers YouTube channel. Special thank you to the listing agents Anna Swanson and Jeremy Bartlett from the Swanson's Realty Group for inviting us to film their beautiful listing. Let's go inside and take a look. Now, this lakefront paradise is 5,186 square feet. It's got 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and its own elevator right here to the right. This home includes special waterfront access with its own custom dock where you can dock a jet ski and a boat to ride out onto Horseshoe Bay. Now, as you walk in, notice the beautiful grand entrance, custom wood stairways all the way to the second floor. Beautiful marble tile. Notice this beautiful custom kitchen with 3 sinks and 3 cooking areas, all custom hardwood floors, luxurious granite countertops, waterfall all the way to the floor, and Thermador appliances throughout the entire kitchen. Have you seen a refrigerator like this? Look at that. Thermador gas stove with 6 burners. Notice the golden tile accent all throughout this kitchen. Two Thermador ovens. And plenty of space for entertaining and enjoying a relaxing evening with your family. This is our living space in 81 Applehead Island, with beautiful waterfront views overlooking a pool and a hot tub. Now, imagine waking up in the morning with this view. Taking a plunge in the swimming pool or a nice soak in your hot tub first thing in the morning. Now, standing out here, I can tell you, it feels so serene and peaceful in this back patio. It is so magnificent. Nice little custom kitchen out here for entertaining outside. And I bet you're wondering what is down those stairs. When you go down those stairs, you're going to see your own miniature putting green. And you're also going to see your boat dock where you can dock your boat and your jet ski and ride out this parade all the way out into Horseshoe Bay every morning. Luxurious waterfront living in this home. Now let's go see the master bedroom. You're gonna love the custom tile work in the master bathroom. Let's go inside and take a look. So here's our master bedroom. We have 14-foot ceilings in here. Beautiful views of your pool and the waterfront. In the master bathroom, we have his and her sinks We have a 5-foot floating garden tub. A beautiful custom shower with 2 rainfall shower heads and a shower wand. And to just see the tile work in this master bathroom, it is literally a work of art in here. It is beautifully done from floor to ceiling. Very, very nicely designed and executed tile. And notice as you're walking through the house, custom speakers in your living room with full surround sound already installed. Now, just next to your living room is our office space. Now, this office is southwest facing, so it's going to be beautiful sunsets every evening in your office. And you can see right now here at Horseshoe Bay, the sun is setting and it's just glorious, glorious lighting. Here's our dining room. And the dining room has an extra kitchen space here with a custom wine cooler, chilled to perfection at 52 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's go see the mother-in-law suite and the laundry room to the right of the entrance of this home. Our mother-in-law suite has a kitchenette with a refrigerator, a sink, and its own full bathroom. Thank you for watching the home tour of 81 Applehead Island. For your own custom tour of this home, click the link below this video, and we look forward to serving you. Now let's take the elevator to the second floor. I'll see you up there. Welcome to the second story of this lakefront paradise. As you walk out of the elevator, immediately to your left are 3 guest bedrooms. Each guest bedroom has its own full bathroom for your family or for your friends on vacation. And now let's go look at the entertainment space on the second story. Beautiful custom lighting overlooking the first floor. Love the spiral effect. As you walk into the entertainment space, right here you have a custom bar with a refrigerator and a sink. And your media room is right to your left, right here, for movie nights. Imagine cooking up some popcorn and watching movies with your friends on vacation. We have a guest bathroom here for the entertainment space. A nice area for relaxing in the evening, playing a little bit of poker here at the poker table. And then the best for last on the second floor, the balcony overlooking your swimming pool and the water. Beautiful views from the second story balcony of Applehead Island in Horseshoe Bay. Now let's talk about the amenities. Applehead Island is an exclusive luxury neighborhood, 24-hour-a-day security, 365 days a year, and the security guards live on site. So if this is your vacation home or you're living here, you can entrust that you are safe and secure at Applehead Island with the 5-star security on site. Applehead Island also has a golf course, Caprock Golf Course, with 18 holes of beautiful greens, and a recreation center with pickleball, a newly renovated pool. So there's a little something for everybody here to enjoy at 81 Applehead Island. Comment below this video and let us know what you think of this house, the neighborhood, the amenities. What do you like about this home? What don't you like about it? Let us know, and we look forward to serving you. Greetings from the Austin City Brothers. Thank you for watching our latest video.
You may be wondering, what's it like to work with our team to help you in your home buying journey? Here, we're going to take you through the 7-step process that we have designed to help you succeed in finding the perfect home.
So let's dive in. Step 1 is the initial consultation. Before we start your home search, we take you through a Zoom call where we get to know each other. This is where we do a deep dive into your current situation, your desires, and your needs for your home and family. We want to nail down the top 4 to 5 criteria, and then through our geographic competence, help you find the right neighborhoods, the best schools, and lifestyle that matches all of your needs.
Next step is our buyer representation agreement. If we are a good fit and we decide to work with each other, we will then send you a buyer's representation agreement to solidify our relationship for providing expert service to help you secure the right home.
Now, step 3 is the right financing. Now, listen very carefully here because you might be wondering about financing in your home buying journey. We have expert loan officers with decades of experience and an assortment of loan products, including jumbo loans from private hedge funds. A loan from a private bank can get your interest rate down a full 1% below the competition, saving you around $1,000 per month in your monthly mortgage and cutting out the middleman. So if you're looking for any type of loan product, especially a jumbo loan, reach out to us.
Next step is the home tours. This is where we're going to explore the best neighborhoods that match the lifestyle and the top 5 criteria we have discovered earlier in our initial consultation. This step is all about finding the perfect fit.
Step 5 is the contract and negotiation. Once we've found that perfect home for you, we get to work negotiating the best terms for you, backed by a thorough comparative market analysis. We don't want you to pay too much for your home. Our goal is to ensure you get the most value possible and that you don't overpay.
Step number 6 is inspections and final negotiations. After the contract is signed, it's time to send out an inspector. If there are any costly damages to the home that needs to be fixed before you move in, this is where we want to start the second round of negotiations to make sure that every term is right for you.
We are master negotiators and we love that part of the transaction. Now, step 7 is closing day. This is where you celebrate. We make the closing day as smooth as possible by staying on top of all the communications to ensure all the terms of the contract are met for you and your family.
In addition, we have expert moving services, utility setup, and even a whole house water filtration system on top of Vastu enhancement if that is one of the services that you are looking for.
If you're interested in Vastu, check out the card right here in our videos so you can learn more about Vastu enhancements of your home. We are here at the Austin City Brothers to make your move to Austin a breeze.
Thank you for watching this video. We're looking forward to work with you very soon.
Click that link below the video with our link tree to schedule your no obligation consultation call today.